Hi, I'm Marcel. This is Shawn, and we are here to teach you how to become more happy and more healthy. And you might ask, why are we doing this? Why do we want to do this? We believe that if you are more happy and healthy, you spread this happiness and healthiness around you. And this is a beautiful thing. So how do we do that? We teach yoga live every day, so you can come in and interact with us directly. Of course, also doing the yoga poses if you like. And then there's a comment section down below where you can leave questions, and I can take up these questions and create videos from them to help you, but also help others. So you are helping others by leaving a question down there. So there's one more thing. I promise my best intention to be here for you for years to come. So thank you for watching. And today we have the 2nd February 2020. This video will go online at 8 o'clock, so 2020. This video should be the length of 2 minutes and 2 seconds. And why are we doing this? Because it's fun. Thank you for watching.